Alright, so I was out here mowing my lawn and got about halfway done. You can see right here's the line. Got about halfway done and I was pulling behind my my rake, and then well, my tire broke, so let me show you what that looks like. So yeah, right here you can see yeah, right there you can see tire broke off, so now I gotta get a new tire or do something to fix this. Alright, so changing plans. What we're going to do here is we're going to, instead of buying a tire, going with the Tractor Supply and Lowe's and they don't have them, we're going to try to glue this back together somehow and make that work. It's a pretty, you know, straight fit. It's just JB Weld and maybe some screws might hold this thing in. So let's try that out. There we go, it's pretty good. As good as it's gonna get. Alright, so we got some JB Weld here. We're gonna go ahead and try to mix these up and we'll see how it goes. I think this will work pretty well. Alright, so this stuff is pretty straightforward. All you gotta do to mix this is mix it equal parts and stir for about a minute. So I'm gonna mix them on this plastic. Okay, now we let it set for about 5 minutes and we'll see what happens. Okay, so the JB Weld, we're gonna put a second coat on here in a minute, but first I'm gonna put this bracket on. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie this piece to this piece so that it doesn't come loose. And we'll see how that goes. Probably something like that right there. I hope that'll work. We'll see. Maybe more like that. Yeah. All right. All right, it's good. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and add some more JB Weld to this and try to get this really good. Alright everybody, so it's the next day and this thing is hard as a rock. So hopefully these screws hold up and don't shear, which that's the only thing I'm really concerned about. Everything else looks pretty good. Like this bonded to that plastic really well. So hopefully the JB Weld is enough to hold it up. But it is a wheel, it moves. So chances of this breaking again are, it could happen. We'll see. Alright, so let's see. Got this piece goes like that. And then we're going to go ahead and throw this thing back on. Alright. Alright, so it's holding up pretty well. That's what it's looking like. I don't see any cracks or anything, nothing fresh. Wheels turning as it should, and we're getting plenty of grass.